Gabby, go sit down in the purple chair. Go sit down in the purple chair. Sweetie, you gotta sit down.
Gabby, come sit here. Can you come stand here?
Don't worry about it. You're in a bathing suit.
Come stand here.
It's all right. Sit down. Sit down.
It's all good. Get
Why don't we make this? I will clean your foot in a minute. How don't we make this Peyton's seat because she already got it all wet.
Yeah, you stand by your sister. There you go.
So here, you gotta slide in. Be very, very careful. Okay.
This one's for Kira. Alright, watch out, girls. There's fire, okay? Alright, everybody. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you.
Emily, blow now. Emily, can you blow? Can you go?
Resisting
it. Can you blow? Go ahead. Gabby, go ahead. You can have
No, not you. It's not your birthday.
Yay!
It's not your birthday, okay?
Gabby, you want to share? Calm down. Gabby,
you want
to share?
Hey, next time don't do it.
Okay, cupcakes will go right down. Oh, cupcakes. Who wants a cupcake?
Mommy! I thought you weren't coming.
Make a mess. It's okay. They can help you.
What happened?
Nothing. There was not anything. There you go, cutie. We're outside. You want a cupcake?
Cupcake.
I said cha-cha-cha. You did.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. I'll take the grass. No, she doesn't have one right here. Oh,
Sorry.
you got it. You got to eat it yourself. Better. There you go.
You got it? You can eat it. Those are the cutest little cupcakes.
Oh, thank you. I got one piece myself off of there, and she's still.
Did you make them?
Eat it.
Exactly.
Yummy? They're
A
baking
little rough edge is
cupcakes.
good for you.
Did you make them or Jen make them?
No. They good? None of the above?
Somebody likes the icing.
Peyton, it's
I
not
love
a
sprinkles.
contest. You're going to be first.
I'm
though.
going to show how it's done.
Chew.
Aw, good job, Emily.
And somehow you got
Cupcake
two,
with
Peyton.
sprinkles.
You lucky girl.
Emily, can you show Kira how you're eating your cupcake? Here's, you want to try? Silence is good.
Yes, now everybody's happy, it looks like.
There's cupcakes for the grown-ups.
Ah, there you go.
And then we're going to put the barbecue on.
What?
Hi, Emily.
What? That mean
More.
Emily, where's Papa? Emily, where's Daddy?
Hi. Say hi.
Kimberly, you like icing, don't you? That's the best pink icing with sprinkles ever.
Gabriella, put your head next up.
You ate it all?
Did you eat the whole thing?
Really your
Oh my
house?
goodness. That was really an amazing cupcake, wasn't it?
Really your house?
My house, yeah, for one more week.
I think you gotta ask Daddy.
Give her
Sure.
a kiss.
You have one more.
Good?
No.
Okay. You want to pick one?
Oh, that's not mine.